Satisfy your steak cravings with this new resto that serves different kinds of sauces for their steak, plus refillable steak rice and fries. I'm here in Steak and Fries sa lower ground floor sa Central Square, Taguig. Here's their menu, pause nyo na lang. This resto's ambience was elegant. A new spot to dine and chill with friends. Okay, let's get to the food. First we had is their onion flour and dad's basketball sauce. This dish was straight out unique. Masarap siya and flavorful. Trip na trip ko yung sauce niya. Try nyo rin to, kakaiba siya. It was a great appetizer to start off our meal. Ito naman yung main dish, must order siya. We got their US ribeye 400 grams. This is already good for sharing And if you want na iba-ibang sauce nyo, orderin nyo yung sauce sampler. Comes with 6 different kinds of sauces. All the sauces had different types of flavor profile, kaya kung mabilis ka magsawa, orderin nyo tong sauce sampler nila. For the steak, of course, I had it medium rare. Nakuha naman nila. Juicy at tender din ang kanilang steak. By the way, it also comes with steak rice and french fries. And it actually doesn't end there. For all their main course, refillable ang rice and ang french fries ng isang beses. Kaya talagang sulit siya. So far, I was enjoying the food and their service because very accommodating ang staff nila. Itong third dish is their chicken confit. It comes with truffle rice and french fries. Also refillable Masarap din talaga to kasi yung chicken niya hindi dry. And even without sauce, pairs well with their truffle rice. Guys, this resto is highly recommended. Try nyo to pag pumunta kayo ng BGC.